So here we have the BMW 330e on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see that it's a 4-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the car first of all. As we approach the back of the car you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space available there as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. Then moving right, we have the speedometer, the rev counter, and over on the right-hand side, the coolant temperature gauge. In the centre, you can see the total mass of the car. They're 86,411. You can change the information that's displayed in that section using a button on the end of the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have cruise control, speed limiter, phone and stereo controls, the plus and minus pedals that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the sensor next, we have the main screen for the car. You can see there's a visual guide to the parking sensors just there. Of course, we have satellite navigation, really nice clear color display, very easy system to use. When it comes to your music, we have a CD player. You can also listen to it via USB input, Bluetooth audio and auxiliary input. And if you want to listen to the radio, we have FM, AM and DAB. All the movement that I'm making on the screen is being done using this dial and the collection of buttons that surround it. This is BMW's iDrive system. Below the main screen, we have our volume, CD player, and then dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger temperature and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now take control of the fan speed to maintain these temperatures and the direction of the air too. Press auto again, you go back to whatever setting you had that on previously. Under there we have two cup holders, the key for the car, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We can turn the traction control on and off. We can put the car in Sport, Eco Pro, and you can turn your parking sensors on and off from here as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.